or something like that, but in a powering music, with a powered music, not for slow backgrounds, just by Christmas events. This is the same, but without an effect, without one of the effects. I can show you this, what I have in the effect, what I built when I took out the effect for heart. You can this one effect, this one you can Dirac powering off here and powering off on here, and you have a lot of options for that effects where you can different styling for it. You see? Okay. And so you can play around with that. Okay. And when you see now, if I was toggle the start button once a time, they place around very long. This is not a problem, but from in a longer time they stopped. Huh? So you must play again. But now everything plays again, so you can see that. So this is the showcase for that two plugins. In short, the options you have for the options you have also a very detailed manual. I bring that in also here. I must look where I put it. That's oh. This is the folder where you get where it is in the plugins where you must open them, but you find just this zip file first, and inside of the zip file you've seen this, and I will again in this part, in this region, I will move the arena composition, but for opening that plugins you must open by accept the license. What I built for that is the license. Read it before you open by the zip file. When you're opening, then you accept that things here, and I make a manual for this. You can read the manual, and then you know a little bit more about the different options in these two plugins, and also for troubleshooting or advanced controls, some tips, what you can do with it, and tips are here, or thanks and licenses. I'm always inputting, and I'm not the one where you can go when you have a big problem with that software. I enclosed every warranty of me. This is normal. Also Resolume do that for her software. When you use the plugin for normal, you don't have a problem with that. When you go by the manual and don't do crazy stuff, so you don't have a problem. The other manual for the other thing is here, and here are a warning in I do that second plugin just in 1080p in 1K in Full HD, not in UHD in 4K, because there it used too much GPU power, and then it's a risk for you for your GPU, or it's about, if you have a really extreme GPU, then it will maybe be works, but I don't go in by that risk that you have a problem with your GPU or your hardware. So I don't give out that plugin in a higher than 1K, so you don't can have really problems with it. And I hope so you are happy. Important hardware warning, look at that and don't put that to 4K composition in Arena and lift that with resizing to 4K. Then it is a little bit like a 4K, and then you go to a risk. It's up to you. If you do that, then maybe you have a problem when you have a very smooth, slow, small GPU. When you have a 5090 RTX, then maybe it works, or 4090 RTX it works, but I don't test it, and I say just don't do it. So, okay, time is over, and have fun with the plugins. I show you in the end again one of my preferred for Christmas time in full screen, and then we left that showcase here. One for once, maybe this one, I think it's a very nice one for Christmas time. Then, and another one maybe, oh it doesn't work now, I changed too much things, but we can look it up what it happens when I don't save it. Quit just, and I open again, because I don't save out that yes, it works, it comes back by everything what I programmed for you, and I can show you again what we have here made. It's also nice, yeah, I think so. Or the easy stylish. Yes. So you have a lot different like presets is a bit, but I send you these presets by in these compositions by own clips. They are so made for you, or for this youth music styles, these very fast styles, these hardcore hard the hardcore styles. I don't know. Maybe you like it. I hope so, and I wish you a good time. We see us in another time, in another space. Bye bye.